Genian Device Platform Intelligence, or GDPI, provides Visibility 2.0. This goes beyond legacy device fingerprinting. GDPI provides platform identity, context, and risk. It is hosted in a cloud database with an API that is also available as a subscription service. Over 6,000 new platforms were added in 2020 alone. Identity. A specific platform is assigned to each device that is detected. This includes manufacturer, connection types, an actual image of the device, along with additional information. Context. GDPI provides business information. This includes end of sale, end of life, and country of origin. This provides context for the information specific to the device. Risk. Technology vulnerability risks are also listed, including CVEs that are applicable for each platform. Business vulnerability is also listed. This includes if the business has gone out of business or has been acquired. All this information together allowed cybersecurity professionals to manage the risk of each device connected to their network. Let's examine two use cases where GDPI provides information above and beyond legacy device fingerprinting. First, we will work with EOL and EOS information. GDPI has the ability to group these devices together so network administrators can restrict access or perform other actions for any device that is end of life or end of sale on their network. First, we'll take a look at the legacy device fingerprinting approach. With legacy device fingerprinting, you get a general category for the device, such as printer, phone, computer, mobile device, etc. To get end of life or end of sale information, if at all possible, typically requires third-party integrations, most of the time specific to certain manufacturers. Then a VLAN is assigned, which doesn't provide any detailed restrictive action for the devices, and also it doesn't really follow the device around if it roams. This also requires network integration and integration with switches or wireless controllers and access points. GDPI with Genian is different. GDPI provides information above and beyond general categories. Specific platforms are assigned to each device that connects to the network. Each platform that has EOS or EOL information is linked to the platform record. Those EOS EOL platforms can then be collected together and added to a group. That group can be added to an enforcement policy, and those devices can be restricted or denied network access, or network administrators can just be notified of their existence. The next use case we will examine is CVE information. GDPI provides the ability to restrict platforms that are correlated with specific CVEs. Let's compare and contrast this to the legacy fingerprinting approach. As we mentioned previously, legacy fingerprinting puts devices into general categories, not specific platforms. To obtain CVE information, third-party integration is typically required. This will also typically come with some type of cost associated with it. And of course, general network restrictions such as VLANs are assigned, and this requires complex integrations with the wired and wireless network. GDPI does not have any network integration requirements to correlate devices with CVEs and perform restrictive actions. First, the GDPI database contains specific platforms, so each device is assigned a specific platform. Then, that platform, if applicable, is linked to the specific CV information that may be applicable to that platform. Those platforms can then be added to groups, and then the groups are added to enforcement policies, which may restrict or deny network access. Again, that is optional, and administrators could just notify themselves or send automated notifications to external systems like ServiceNow, Teams, or Slack. Let's take a closer look at the structure of GDPI. The GDPI database is split into two sections. First, there are regex-based detection rules. These rules can ingest raw scan information such as Nmap or other information, combine the information, and then using scoring mechanisms can assign a platform and a manufacturer based on the raw data. The second part of the database includes all of the extended metadata for the platforms and the manufacturer-specific information. This includes things such as the image of a device, end of sale, end of life information, CVE mapping, business status, etc. Consumers can actually access the GDPI database through the Cloud API. Typical subscribers are split up into two different categories. Detection database subscribers are typically customers that have raw information that they have obtained from scanning the network, but are not confident that they can accurately fingerprint or identify the platforms that they've detected. By subscribing to the regex-based detection rules, you can get accurate information based on what type of platform and the manufacturer for the devices that you have the raw data for. The second category of subscribers are the full database subscribers. These are typically customers that are confident they have accurately fingerprinted and know the platform and manufacturer of their devices, but want to augment those devices and that data with the extended database information and all the specific metadata available for the platform and the manufacturer. This model also empowers MSPs because of the flexible subscription options as well as co-branding and white label options. GDPI is its own product, separate from NAC, and can be consumed as such through a subscription option.